And I'm gonna tell you a little secret that I've been doing a little later in this video.
If you're new around here, we're Chris and Sarah, and for the last year and a half, we've been traveling full-time and sharing our adventures here on YouTube. Our last video left off with us at Disney World, and this week, we're driving from Disney to Nashville, Tennessee, and taking a quick one-day stop off in Atlanta, Georgia for a little food and fun. Let's go!
Greetings from Atlanta, Georgia. Today's just a typical day, another work day, and I'm gonna tell you a little secret that I've been doing a little later in this video. But until then, we have a vlog that's going live today and I've gotta go upload it. So our secret weapon of choice, especially traveling around the country in order to upload videos, is none other than Whole Foods. You may be wondering why Whole Foods. Well, they have fast internet and it's pretty reliable. It's only gonna take me like 5 minutes to get this video up. Sarah just texted me and asked me to pick up some creamer. So, it's another good thing about Whole Foods. Have a nice day. Well, what's up, sleepy dog? Say hello to YouTube.
Hello! And we're gonna do tower in here. We're gonna do. Not only do we film the video and we edit the video, but when we upload the video, we also have to tag everything. So we have to make sure that YouTube knows what the video is about, so that when you guys watch a video, you guys are accurately finding it. So there's like keywords and there's a little bit of like, you know, the algorithm everybody always talks about, but that's actually what we're working on right now. So we have to like SEO the hound out of this thing. So we're trying to like optimize it to help you guys find us, hopefully. A scan to ride. Vroom vroom.
So we just got on these wheels, which Sarah and I have never been on a motorized scooter or anything like that before. And there's this bike path here, the Beltline in Atlanta, and we read that they put this geo fence up so people can't speed. You're on this thing and you're like, it's sort of moving at like a brisk walk. You know, we definitely have runners passing us, but we're having a fun time.
People were using.
We're literally only halfway there. The wind is so cold. We're probably gonna get some coffee or something warm. Our hands are freezing. Sarah's left me in the dust. I think I may have gotten a malfunctioned scooter because now it's hanging out about 6.5 miles an hour. We were really hoping for some epic shots, you know, like speeding around, like this is intense, this is cool.
Out of sight.
And it's not that intense. It's just not. How come you keep leaving me in the dust?
These things are so slow, it's so fun. My hand's so cold though, I can't bend it.
We finally made it here to Krog City?
Krog Street.
Krog Street. So we finally made it here to Krog Street Market.
It's like a food hall. They got a couple shops, but I'm really hoping to have something warm to drink. We just drank coffee. My hand is so frozen. I need something to like.
We have
They're like frozen in that position.
Those scooters move so slow.
My eyebrows feel like they're frozen, like my whole face is just frozen right now.
Don't you look delicious? I wanna eat you up.
All right, so we're gonna get on the belt line, get back on the scooters. I just booked a hair appointment, hence the hat. Sarah, are you ready to have a fast and furious time?
I had a whopping 7 miles an hour. It was so awkward because like you would hear the scooter just like pulling up behind somebody, like barely making a little motor noise, and then you get next to him, it's like, do you say hi as you're like barely passing him, or you just look straight forward? So I was just like, and they would like look at me and be like, oh, they had the scooters here. Like you could just tell it was just so funny, but oh well. Gracia.
I know. You just kind of feel happy when you're riding this because you look ridiculous.
Have you ever seen the $1 Million Duck? I feel like my hair is getting progressively worse throughout this video. It's like, started off down, it was in a braid, now it's just in this little ratty tail thing.
So we ran into Ponce City Market to warm up our hands, grab some coffee. Show them the ATL.
And they're serving 49th Parallel, which is actually one of our favorite coffee shops in Vancouver, BC. I've never seen anybody else serve their coffee before. So I was very excited. I walked up, I was like, I know them. And she's like, you do? Nobody else knows them, I guess.
So our hands are warm, and I booked a hair appointment. So
haircut day.
Haircut day. So let's go. All right, done with the haircut. Let's go back to the van. What is this? So I have a little secret. It's not a really big secret because if you follow me on my personal account on Instagram, hashtag not a plug, for however long we've been living in the van, I've made it my personal goal to run around each state capital in the United States. But today is the first day of me running. It's been a long time, Instagram. Been a long time. It's in Maine. Because I'm in Nashville, Tennessee, and you know what that means. Now you may be asking yourself, why would you ever do something like this? And the answer is, because I wanted to. And I think I may be the first person to ever run across all the state capitals. I'm gonna say I am. Hopefully there's no one else out there, but it's just a random thing that popped in my head, and it started in Maine, and now we're here in Atlanta. So I'm gonna run around this. This is literally it. Me running around the state capital. Tell me what you think about me running across the capital.
We've seen a lot of cities we never would have seen if Chris weren't doing this. That's what I think. We would have come to Atlanta, but Atlanta is actually different than a lot of the capitals. A lot of state capitals are in little cities. And they're not bad cities most of the time, it's just they're off the beaten path. Get him here.
And yes, I know I'm running in blue jeans and not great, oh, thank you. Oh. And not great running shoes. What are you doing? What are you doing? But it's just something fun to do. Oh. You know, sometimes it's a good thing just to do something random, and so this is my random thing. So that's my secret.